Hello everyone, Noodle here bringing you yet another video. Not really doing much, but I might show you a few of the goodies that are for the Skyline. As you can see, we have got an Elite 2000, a wideband controller, and the plug and play kit for the Skyline. So, obviously, not a lot. Although I will say, for how much money it is for Haltech stuff, I only got one sticker for all of this stuff. And it's very annoying that it's only one sticker because I'd like to put one on the laptop, and obviously one on the car, and one on everything else like that. But those are those goodies. Then we've got a Willwood Master Cylinder for the handbrake, which should fix it up for not working like it did on the Friday night drifts last time the car went out. Keep it read. So we've got a decent size master cylinder for that. Should be plenty. Can I close the box? In my channels, don't have to close the box. Oh, come on, Brody. Rockin'. Alright, that can stay like that. And then we've got something that possibly might be the cheat code. Have to wait for this to come from New Zealand. I will say it is quite sexual. Bang. Well, obviously things. Anodized trigger kit for the RV. So I'm going to put that on. And a 24-1 sensor that should fix the cam angle issues. That I'm pretty sure that's why it's been having its misfire issues, but it will improve reliability and should read a lot better with the revs. So hopefully I can rev it out to 7.5, or maybe 7,300. Only because I haven't got the stuff in the head and I don't want to blow the oil pump to pieces just yet. But yeah, not a bad haul. I know you guys, if you're watching, well, not watching but following along on Facebook, please leave a comment below when I do post this stuff. It helps me out heaps. The more comments on videos and likes on videos, actually, there's a thumbs up on YouTube itself, really pushes the videos out a lot more. Gets me amped, and hopefully tomorrow or Sunday there will be videos of drags, which should be an improving quality as long as I get the things that I'm waiting for. And next week hopefully I'll be able to put all this stuff on the car and show you the Skyline again. I'll make a deal for you too. If this video goes over, I'll aim quite high, 150 views and 15 likes, I'll buy the carby intake manifold for the VK this week. Only if it's done for, actually no, on the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Just a quick one. It's dark outside, so can't really do much. Yeah, peace. Thumbs up, comment, share it around, do all that good shit that every YouTube wants you to do. Yeah, have a good one.